Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Toyota Supra easily, step by step. Begin by lightly sketching a basic rectangular shape for the main body of the car. Next, add two smooth, curved lines to define the windshield and the roofline, giving it that iconic sleek profile. Finally, draw two half circles for the wheel arches, positioning them correctly on the rectangular base. This foundational step sets up the entire drawing. Now, let's add some key features to bring your Supra to life. Carefully outline the distinct, narrow headlights and the wide, horizontal taillights. Then, sketch the side windows and the subtle door lines, ensuring they follow the car's sleek contours. Don't forget to refine the bumper shapes and add the characteristic air intakes on the front and sides. Pay attention to proportions for an accurate look. Moving on, it's time to give your Supra its wheels. Draw the circular wheels and tires within the arches, adding hubcap details if you like. Next, sketch the iconic rear spoiler and the dual exhaust pipes, which are crucial for its sporty appearance. Finally, carefully erase any initial guidelines you made, and then darken all your final outlines to make your drawing pop. You're almost there. For the final touches, let's add some shading to give your drawing a three-dimensional look. Apply light shading to areas like under the spoiler, along the side skirts, and beneath the bumpers to create depth and shadows. Use darker tones for the tires and the undercarriage to make them stand out. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Practice makes perfect, so keep drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.